Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with my 2010 Volkswagen Golf Mk6 GTI, and today I'm going to show you how you can replace the left hand side mirror yourself quickly and easily. Now this video is going to also apply to your Audi A3s of the same vintage and all of your Mk6 Golfs in fact. So let's get into it and show you how you can easily do it yourself. So the kit I purchased came with the wing mirror itself, but it also came with a trim removal tool and just some cleaning wipes after you've done the job. Now, if you didn't get one of these tool removal tools and you don't have one, don't stress. You can use a flat screwdriver and I'll show you how to do that. But I will put a link in the video description of where you can purchase this kit cost effectively yourself. So the first thing that you want to do is to jump into your car, pop the keys in the ignition, just turn it to the on position, and then what you're going to do is you're going to want to move the affected mirror all the way to the up position. So select your affected mirror and then tilt that mirror all the way up. So then with that mirror tilted all the way up, you grab your little pry tool and you simply flex that mirror. There we go. We can and we can just see we've popped it off the clips and the mirror has come out just like that. Now we can see we've got a couple of tabs for the heating elements. Now if you don't have heating elements in your mirrors, don't worry about that. And if you haven't purchased a mirror with the heating element, just remove it from the old one and don't worry about it for the new one. So let's get these heating element connections off. It's a little bit stiff, so let's grab our pair of pliers and just give that a pull that off, and grab this one here. You can see that's pretty tight there. So that's off there. Grab our new mirror with the nice glass. You can see that's going to fit in there perfectly. And let's pop these heating elements back on. So same way they came off. Just slide them in nicely. And the other one. And push them all the way in firmly. There we go. And then it's just a matter of pressing the new mirror on to this back plate. Now it can be a little bit tricky and it might take me a few goes myself, but what you can see is there's basically 4 little locating lugs and they've got to go in each of the gaps of the mirror. So what I'm going to do is I'll try to locate it probably from underneath first and then push up and over. So we'll come in and get those locating lugs in underneath, just like that. Yep, that's got the bottom ones. And then we just press the top and it's popped straight in. How good's that? And obviously I've just put my fingerprints all over the mirrors. So in the kit that I've got, they supplied these little wipes, very similar to when you put a screen on a mobile phone, really, get you to clean the glass. So got a wet one, labeled number 1, and we've got a dry one just to dry it afterwards, just to get those fingerprints off and get the glass nice and clean. But you know, if you didn't get that in your kit, just use normal window cleaner or whatever, glass cleaner from your car cleaning kit. And how good does that look, folks? So the final thing that we want to do is just to fully test that the mirror works in all orientations. So just move that mirror across all the way to the left and then all the way to the right, up and down. And how good is that? It's all done and dusted, fully works. And importantly, this is the exact same procedure that you do also on the right hand mirror. So there you go, folks. That's how to replace the side mirror glass on your Golf GTI Mk6, or in fact your Audi A3 of the same era, and any in fact Mk6 Golfs. So it could be the left or the right mirror, and as I said, I'd put a link in the video description as to where you can cost effectively purchase that. It is an easy job, so save yourself some money and do it yourself. But if you have liked the video, give us a like, a share and a comment, and do subscribe to the channel. But in the future on the channel, you might be interested in servicing and maintaining a number of different vehicles. on the channel. We've got an Audi A3, Mercedes ML Class W164, which I've done over 80 videos of servicing and maintaining and repairing that vehicle. We've got a Mazda 3, early Ford Falcon. So there really is something for everyone on the channel. And as I said, subscribe to the channel. But until next time, have a good evening.